Mama? Oh. Julian.
What you got there, Hunter? KJ's new helicopter? KJ, come show me in my phone. Show me what that is. Look up here.
Hi.
Hi, Julian. Stop. Put that in your mouth. That looks yucky. KJ, can you look at Mama?
Christian.
Hunter, can you have him show me, please?
Christian.
KJ. Show Mommy.
Where's the things you just brought in?
Right here. Show me. Let me see. Hold it up here. And say cheese. I see it open. Do you like that helicopter? Okay. You do? Does he pick up stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, look at me and wave. Look at me and wave. It does hold it.
Julian. Women aren't supposed to fart. You don't toot either.
KJ. What? What's this? KJ. What? No, keep it up. Keep it up. And pull that. No, those aren't handles. What? Hey, KJ, do they make them fly? They're thin. They don't actually fly.
Make it spin, Jilly.
And look.
There's toy.
KJ, you've got another army man.
Kelly, can you
Here, let me
take this
pick it
out?
up for you.